Yeah, looks like it's a good morning to go bashing. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Got the Arrma Outcast today, ready to rip. Had a couple of problems so far with this truck, so I haven't been able to get it out at my pit, but I'm out this morning. The sun just came up over the mountain. It's absolutely beautiful out. It's still nice and cool, so I'm early enough to beat the dirt bikes, although I don't think there'll be too many out because for my area, we got extreme heat. Stay cool, but don't use power. That's what they tell us. I'm gonna use some power today. Got the 4S system, stock, box stock still. Running Turnigy graphene batteries. I currently have a 3000 milliamp in there. I got a 5000 charging on my Jackery as we speak, because I don't know how much juice is left in this one. Because I went out to use it the other day, and what happened is it had some radio issues. I don't know what it is with the Spectrum stuff. The Vortex had the same issue with the receiver. I had to order another one. This one has the better receiver that binds to the DX5. So this morning I went ahead and I rebound it and everything was working. So yesterday it was getting stuck in reverse and I really don't know why. So now I got the DX5 all hooked up and it's got forward and reverse. It didn't have any reverse, it only had forward. But then if you hit forward, it was getting stuck in reverse. If you hit the brake, it would stop. So luckily nothing happened. I was a little nervous, but I figured if I just rebound it, it would be okay. And then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna hook it up to my DX5. And then that'll be kind of how I like it anyway. I like to run all my rigs off of this. But then the problem is you can't share, right? Sometimes I like the missus to drive something, and this was supposed to kind of be for her too. So if I have the DX5 and I want to run my other truck, she can't drive this, so that kind of stinks, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Still rocking the zip tie in the back here, holding the pin on because those clips are still on back order. That broke right away and it messed up a rod end. If you've been following the channel, you've seen that. But other than that, nothing else has happened, but I really only have that one video where I took it out, hit my little ramp a few times, and she was going good, but it's all good now, ready to rock, and we're gonna do some dirt jumps here and maybe put the ramp out and air this thing out. I don't know. Parts are still not super available, so I don't want to break anything really, so we might take it easy. I don't know. We'll see how the vibe goes and how I feel, but let's get bashing. All right, here we go. Drop it in. I haven't been here in quite some time. Oh yeah. There's quite a few rocks on this side, but luckily this is the side I jumped from, so we'll be good. Fun truck for sure. It's a wheelie machine. Oh, it feels good to get it out and all of this. Oh, there goes my mount. This is my Insta360 mount. Didn't last long. Oh, wow. Handling's definitely nice. Woo! She boogies. Now I haven't changed any settings on the punch or anything just yet, but I plan to. I got my little card, so. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Excellent, excellent stuff. Ah. Yeah. So a lot of it is just finding the right spots to hit. The dirt bike's kind of change things around here. So you gotta find what you want. But these tires are great for this stuff. Oh yeah. Soaking up the bumps pretty decent. Creating tons of dust already. Yeah. Whew. Couldn't even see it there. Getting a little reckless, gotta be careful. Oh, look at that. Thing just wheelies. Through the grass. Now, I have been able to make that gap with certain trucks. Oh, I fell in the crack there. Luckily I got out. Oh man, this thing rips. So fun. Oh, that rock really messed me up. That was a nice lucky bounce there. Okay, let's go big. Oh, nosed it. I under rotated a little. Took it though. Right on the bumper. Let's try that again. Oh, again, the little rocks there, they just hit you and mess you up. Really liking how this feels in the dirt though. Nice laid out backflip. Ah, bouncy though. I flipped. Should I get a backflip here? All right, got that one, no problems. Need to get over here though. Nice. So controlled. That's why I went with the Outcast over the Creighton, because I have the Creighton 6S and then I got a sledge, so I really wanted the Outcast for the stunt aspect. Yeah! Wow, that was good there. Really rode the berm well. The new wideness on the truck really makes a difference. Oh, LVC. All right, baby, another round. Oh. Oh. Like 360 go. Well, it didn't break. The zip ties just don't hold it for shit. Dang, I need bigger zip ties, I guess. Oh, look, we got a hot air balloon. Yeah, buddy. A little bouncy on the landings. That's what I've noticed so far, landing on this flat, hard surface here. Oh, that was a hard nose landing there. She took it like a champ. Oh, it's broken. All right, so we have the same kind of breakage. My zip tie broke. And again, it looks like something is hitting that rod end. I'm not sure how well you can see. Let's get it out here. You can see there, look at it, it's all damaged. So something keeps getting stuck in there, and my pin was about to come out. I pushed it back in, but that's all it is. That's why this is hanging. So obviously I have these rod ends. I got a whole pack of them, but I lost the little cup that goes in it. So I'm not sure if I ordered those, but that's an easy fix. But I still don't have that band. Oh, look at the cup is actually still inside right there. So that's good, at least it didn't break that. I'm not sure what was getting stuck in there, if it was my zip tie, but the zip tie's broke anyway. So I think what happens is another rock got stuck in there and messed it up because the zip tie was spinning, so the zip tie's not gonna get in there. But it was fun while I lasted, guys. Truck is fun. It's just this one little issue I keep having in that same spot. So hopefully I can get it all sorted out. I'm still waiting on those back-ordered metal bands. Once I get one of the proper ones in there, we'll have to see what happens. But thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Peace out.